Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, small video with the GH5, and it's all about image stabilization and autofocus. So what I did 2 days ago, I went to my favorite park close to here, and I tried the autofocus and the image stabilization on the GH5. So what you will see in the first two small videos are me holding the camera handheld, going down the stairs, icy stairs, so it was really slippery. And I was holding with this hand the arm of on the stairs, and on the other end I had the Lumix GH5 and with the 12 to 35 2.8, and I was going down the stairs, so all the way close to the river. So take a look at that. And after that, what I did is I changed the lens. I changed it to the 25 millimeters 1.7, and I went back up the stairs. So those two that you will see is down the stairs and up the stairs with two lenses. So take a look at that, and we'll come back to tell you the second part of the test that I did with the GH5. So as you saw in the video, there was a runner right beside me who wanted to go up the stairs, so I let him go, and I filmed the man running up the stairs. And as you can see, it's perfect focus from down the stairs to up the stairs, and it's also color perfect. The color of the outfit of the runner that day that I saw with my own eyes, and the color on the video is perfect. So what you will see next is that I went up the stairs and I changed the lens once again. I wanted to try the 35 to 100 millimeters f2.8. So this lens, what I tried is to put it at 100 millimeters, so full zoom, and film the fall from very far. I am at least half a kilometers on the other side of the fall, and I filmed the other side. You will see the other side of the fall, and you will see a pan from a place where people take pictures all the way to the center of the falls. So take a look at the quality of those shots, and for me it was amazing to see the results of that. After that, I went up the stairs, I changed back the lens to the 12 to 35 millimeters, and what I want you to see is that when I walked on the rail, very close to the rail, all the way to the sun, how much the GH5 and the autofocus and the image stabilization works. It's pretty amazing to see. So take a look at that, and I'm coming back with just a simple conclusion after you have seen this. Okay, so first test of the GH5. First test with 3 different lenses. Perfect lenses for image stabilization and also autofocus is by far the 12 to 35 millimeters lens f2.8. It's really good at 12, because I did not try the image stabilization of the 12-35 at 35, but I'm gonna do it sometimes. But at 12, you walk with this camera at a certain speed, handheld, you can go as fast as you want. The camera, also with the small rig that I have, I'm gonna show you that one day because I'm gonna do a review of that. It's amazing. So the image stabilization of this camera is amazing. And as far as I'm concerned, the autofocus, what I saw in terms of results of the first test that I did, it's pretty good. But, you know, practice makes perfect. I'm gonna try to do more videos of quality in the future. But, well, like I said to you before, I am not a professional. I am on a learning curve, and I'm gonna push the GH5 and the G85 to see where or how or whatever they can deliver, because I will not buy another camera for a long time. I'm gonna just do something with this one, and pretty sure that the results will be amazing in the future. So thank you very much for watching. Sorry if it's a lengthy video. I wanted to show you something interesting, and like, thumbs up if you subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I appreciate, and don't forget to click the bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.